Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering both devices and choosing the right cable. This is where most delays happen. Plug a USB-C to HDMI adapter or plain HDMI into the Chromebook, then connect the other end to the projector input. Once done, switch the projector to that input so it's ready to receive a signal. Make sure your Chromebook is awake and unlocked, otherwise it may not present options. These first steps create the physical link that allows the software configuration to follow. Now you set how the image appears. Open Settings and navigate to Displays so you can choose Mirror versus Extend. Mirror shows the same screen on both devices, while Extend creates an extra desktop for slides. Change resolution to match the projector for sharp text, and set orientation if the projector is rotated. If you need sound through the projector, change the audio output to the HDMI device. Once configured, drag a window to the projector display to verify placement and clarity. Finish by running a short test. Open your presentation or a video to confirm image, sound, and animations play as expected. If you see a blank screen, make sure cables are fully seated, switch the projector input off and back on, and reboot the Chromebook to reset outputs. If issues persist, swap the adapter or try another HDMI cable, because incompatible or faulty adapters are a common culprit. One key troubleshooting tip: update Chrome OS to resolve driver or display bugs that block output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.